Hello and welcome to the Diwali Study Sesh, Episode 2, one-shot revision of the topics you already know. Now I really hope that you did your homework because we're gonna dive into the syllabus according to the categorizations we made in the first video. If not, watch the first video and categorize your syllabus ASAP. Assuming that you have categorized your syllabus, pick up a green topic. Now, put a timer for 10 minutes on any device that you have and skim through all the notes or the reading material for that topic under 10 minutes. Once you are done, give yourself a 5-minute break, put aside everything and pick up a piece of paper. In that piece of paper, in this format, write out all the information that you know of that particular topic. Now this is called the blurting method. With this, you will know exactly how much you know of the topic that you thought of. If there is a topic that you think you know 100%, you should be able to recall all of the information in under a time limit. Give yourself 20 to 30 minutes depending on the length of the topic to be able to complete that method. If you forget anything, then put it according to the format provided. And also, if you get any information wrong, highlight it for future reference. At the end, remember, if you forget more than 40% or get more than 40% of the information wrong, then that is not a green but a yellow topic for you. And we need to invest a lot more time into it than you thought before. For topics of maths and physics, you can write down all the formulas and the theorems that you know and put in practice later. With this method, you are able to practice one topic in under an hour. And if that topic is a small one, it may only take you even 40 minutes to do the same. So with this, we come to the end of episode 2 of the Diwali study session. I am Anurita Gupta, an aspiring biotechnologist and a content strategist, here to help you with your study and your reels. Drop a Diya in the comments if you like this video and follow along for the next one.